Hello, this is Paul from Milk Delivery System MDS with a brief and quick review of our delivery app. Latest one. This is for your drivers and your milk people when they're delivering goods to your customers. So you need to log in with internet. So we've just logged in, as you can see, and this is the first screen that we see. You don't need internet as you're going around because this is an offline app. You use it to log in, you go and do your work, you come back to the office, use some internet and sync back to the server. So you don't need a 4G data or anything. So this is the screen that you see. The first thing you'll do is click all deliveries, and this shows you what you need to deliver for today. So we'll just click the first customer there, and you can see at the top there's lots of details about the customer name, etc., the URN number. You can type delivery instructions in there of whatever you wish. If you want to, if you might have a note to someone to say, please leave here, please leave there. Underneath, you've got their current balance. You've got 1 week is the billing cycle, so you're aware that what their billing cycle is. And underneath here, you've got things for payment. So if you click pay now, you've got the amount that they currently owe, check, card or cash. If they leave you money, it's not the full amount, you can just type in something else instead. So let's say they left 400, then you can just put 400 and you just click check, for example, and confirm, and that will now, you can see the balance is reduced. And when you go back up, when you resync, that will alter the main server and you'll see it in your office. Payment details also shows last week's balance up to this week and up to next week, and you can print a bill as well by printing the bill button, and that can be itemized or non-itemized. This is what's being delivered. On this occasion we've just added that 1 pint of semi-skinned on a previous video, so I'll just make that one. So let's say, for example, these are the 3 things that need delivering. That's what you would deliver. If for some reason you go there and the customer says we don't actually need kitchen roll, you can make that 0. Okay, and then what you do is, then once you made it 0, if you make an adjustment there and then, all you need to do is click the deliver button and deliver again, and that will set that to 0. So when you resync later, it'll be okay with the main server. Underneath there are lots of things you can do. You can add another product, because they might say, look, have you got this on your, I haven't ordered it, but can I have it? Let's say it's some eggs, and what we're going to do is just add some eggs. Okay. You can add a holiday date. So let's say they've told us they're going on holiday, which is very simple. You can change their current standing order. They might say, okay, we only want 2 on a Friday instead of 4. You could just update it there, so that's done as well. And you could do fortnightly and 4 weekly, monthly orders. And then under that, you can do a one-time adjustment. So let's say you get a message for the future for next Monday. You don't want to put it on a piece of paper, you want to do it now. Just click OK and say, well, they said you only want 4 instead of 6. And click save, and that'll be in the system ready for next Monday. So there's things you can do at the bottom. And all you need to do is to go to your next customer, simply just scroll to the left. So that's going to be the next customer. Same again, shows you what they owe, their billing cycle and everything else, and what they need to order. So, and just scroll along like this, and that's everything that you need to see to deliver. On the front screen, there are lots of things you can do on here. You can see all the customers, not just today's delivery, but all the customers. So let's pick a customer who's not on today's delivery, and we can see their current bill, current week balance, next week's balance, and we can print a bill for them, and we can take a payment. We can mark them as not till further notice. We can cancel a delivery for whatever day is required, etc. Also, holiday breaks. This shows you who's on holiday. Nobody on holiday this particular day, but it shows you available if you wanted to. Picking list. This is today's picking list, but you can also go ahead and see tomorrow's picking list as well. So let's go and do that. So that'll be tomorrow's picking list. Yep. and then we'll go back. End of day report. This shows you what once you've resynced back up to the server, it will say what you've sold, etc., etc. So you can see we took £1,000 in credit card. This is we did it earlier on. Cash £96.52 and £62 in a cheque, and that's the products that we sold. Okay. Also, your activities. So you might want a little bit more information on that. So if you click the Your Activities button, you'll see that £1,000. Yep, that's who it was from. That was from that customer. That was from that customer, etc., etc. And any changes that you did at the same time as well. So you can see those. So if you ever think, did I or didn't I? Did I put that payment in? Did I change this? You can always see it in your activities. You can change your route order. Let's say I want to move that customer, and I'm going to put him behind number 8. Yep, and as you can see now, we just moved him to number 8. And that's really about it. You can see your stock. This shows you at the end of the day, after you've gone back to the server, what you've got left over. In this instance, we've got one free range eggs left over, and we oversold 3 pints of semi-skimmed. So you can see that, and you can reset that to 0, or if you've got other stock for some reason, you can add a product and add it back in. Once you've done all that, and you've done your deliveries and you put your payments in and you're happy with everything, all you need to do is to click the Mark All as Delivered button, which is the one there in the top middle, and that will go back up to our server. It'll mark everything as delivered and done, and that's it. You are ready to log out and be ready for the next day. So that's a very, very quick view of our delivering app. This is the latest version. There are constantly things that are being added to it, and there's going to be another 1 or 2 things coming up very soon in the next month. Just one other thing you can do, if you click these buttons here, you can see what's pending, what was delivered, and who cancelled, etc., etc. And you can always move dates as well to go to another date. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed that very quick video. If you have any questions, come to us at info@milkdeliverysystem.com. We're currently offering a free 3-month trial. So if you'd like to try our system, it's full system, nothing missing from it whatsoever. You can try it fully for 3 months without any payment whatsoever. And or you can also try out our demo system, which is what this system is here. You can try that totally free of charge as well. Thank you for watching, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye.